Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to log into Flagstar bank account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Click open any web browser first, and in the URL box, type in www.flagstar.com and press the Antony keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Flagstar Bank. Now in order to log in, you can go ahead and click on this login button in the upper right corner, which will bring out an expanded menu. Select your account type from the drop down below. In my case, I'm going to log into my online banking account. Now go ahead and enter your username in the first text field that is associated with the account. Now move on to the next field and type in your password in the password text field. In case you don't remember your password, you can click on this Forgot Your Password link at the bottom of the screen. Similarly, if you don't remember your username as well, you can click on the username link and look for your username by following the instructions. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on the Sign Up for Online Banking link over here right under the login box. Register yourself to a new account, and once you have an account, you can easily log in by clicking on this login button after entering your credentials. Once you do that, you'll be logged into Flagstar Bank account quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll send it back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till